Okay, just match up with the gas. We may need one or two, so once I know, I'll let you know. Good. Good. Okay, thanks, Blake. What about the Nodwell perm? The Nodwell goes down to the Petro can and just waits there. Alright, I'm on my way. Yeah, there's another water truck parked there, I think. I'm stepping away from the radio for about 5 minutes.